Early stages of HIV infection may present as flu characterized by fever, fatigue, sore throat, glands, and body pains. Other present with no symptoms at all. Progressive symptoms and opportunistic infection than usually few. HIV is an infection that attacks the body immune system. Acquired immunodeficiency syndromes is the most advanced stage of the disease. HIV target the body-wide blood vessel, weakening the immune system. This makes easier to get sick with disease like tuberculosis, infection, and some cancer. HIV is spread from the body fluids of an infected person, including blood, breast milk, semen, and vaginal fluids. It is not spread by kisses, hug, or sharing food. It can also spread from a mother to her baby. HIV can be treated and prevented with antiretroviral therapy or ART. Untreated HIV can progress to AIDS, often after many years. The disease is spread more easily in the first few months. After a person is infected but many unaware of their status until the later stages in the first few weeks after being infected. Person may not experience symptoms. Other may have an influenza-like illness including headache and sore throat, weight loss, rashes and fever, loneliness,